Today on Dave's POV, we're headed to the only waterfall in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park that you can walk behind, Grotto Falls. Grotto Falls is located along the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. It's a one-way road running counterclockwise. If you start in Gatlinburg, turn at the traffic light number 8 off the parkway. It's called Airport Road here. Follow it, stay to the right until it becomes Cherokee Orchard Road. Follow Cherokee Orchard Road for about 3 miles to Roaring Fork Road. It's a winding, twisting, narrow road, so don't be in a hurry. There is parking at the trailhead, but unless you get there very early, it will be filled up. Just keep driving slowly and you'll see more parking in several spots along the road. But you will be going downhill, so you'll have a pretty good walk uphill just to get back to the trailhead.
I won't say that I got lost this morning, it's just that I've never been here before, and it's not really obvious where this is. There's not a lot of great signage, and I was following a map that had very little detail really, but I just, I took it real slowly and I found it, so all good. So here I am at the entrance to the Grotto Falls trailhead, and of course, because I didn't get here till almost 9, the parking is crazy, and I showed you where I parked, so that's pretty nuts. It's about almost a 500 foot elevation climb. It's only less than 1.5 miles in, but that's a decent climb. I spent my whole career in television and television-related video, and so I can tell you this, 500 feet is about halfway up most of the big TV towers in America. So that shows you how much you're climbing if you go 500 feet. I'm sure that I'll enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy it too, and stay with me for our little hike today.
You can see on the trailhead sign it's actually called the Trillium Gap Trail because you can connect to other trails from this one, including the part of the trail that goes all the way up to the top of Mount LeConte. This is a trail that is made of some flat surfaces with few or no obstructions, some parts covered in tree roots, some parts very rocky or all rocks, and many steps made of wood, rock, or both. Also, you will cross over 4 water features on the trail.
Look at that, the creek goes right around home plate.
Along the way, watch out for some otherworldly tree stumps.
I found a rock. There are so few of these in the Great Smoky Mountains. Anyway, it's a perfect place to take a break. I tell you, this is a climb. It's all the 500 feet, all right. It reminds me a lot of Laurel Falls in terms of the climb, and although there's steps here, there haven't been steps at Laurel Falls in the past, and then you end up at a waterfall. It's very beautiful, and it's very popular with the tourists. So very similar, and equally, if not more, beautiful.
A little more hiking, and then when you see all these stone steps, Grotto Falls is just ahead.
Okay, I'm here. Time to go under the falls.
Some final thoughts about the hike today. Wear good shoes. Really, wear some kind of hiking shoes or boots. I saw somebody once again with sandals, at least not flip-flops. It's a tough trail. There's a lot of rocks and a lot of roots. And I'm telling you, one stumble and you will break a toe. That's no good. Wear good shoes. Other than that, bring some water, bring a snack. Hiking staff is not a bad thing for this trail because of all the steps and everything. It's great for kids. God, kids love going behind the waterfall and and all that. So great for kids. Now for people over 70, and I'm definitely over 70, it's a good hike. Like I say, you're going up about 500 feet, and that's pretty good climb. There's a lot of steps. But there's also several places where it levels out, and you can, it's pretty normal hiking, and the path is in great shape. And there are a few spots to rest along the way, a stump or a tree or a rock or something like that. So take advantage of that if you need a break. Overall, though, just a beautiful, beautiful hike. Wonderful experience. Don't be in a rush to leave the area once your hike is complete. As you drive out, there are several interesting sights to see, like this beautiful waterfall next to the Roaring Fork Road. And there are some places to pull your car off the one-way road so you can enjoy the sights. That's it for Dave's POV. I hope you enjoyed Grotto Falls. We'll see you again next time.